Let's talk about your homeowner's insurance policy. If you're a homeowner, you have a homeowner's insurance policy. It's one of the most important tools you have as a homeowner. But like a tool, we tend to kind of stick these in the drawer and forget about them until we need to use them. We're here to make understanding your homeowner's insurance policy just a little bit easier. These policies are usually broken down into 6 major types of coverage. The first type is dwelling coverage. This is intended to rebuild the structure of your home. So if you think about when you're moving into a new house, what's there before you bring all of your stuff in? This includes the structure and its systems. This coverage is usually the main driver of your premium. The second type is other structures coverage. This is going to be things that are not attached to your home, such as a gazebo, a playset, a detached garage. This part of your policy is automatically included. It's baked in and can't be removed, and it's usually around 10% of your dwelling coverage. The third type is your personal property coverage. This is going to cover anything you bring with you when you move into your house. So things like electronics, clothes, furniture, pots and pans, and even your refrigerator, washer, and dryer. This is usually calculated around 70% of what your dwelling coverage is set at. Keep in mind though, if you have some things of high value, let's bring that up in discussion so we can make sure you're covered. The fourth type of coverage is loss of use coverage. This provides money for you to live elsewhere if something happens to your home and it's not livable. This coverage provides money for temporary housing and other expenses while your insurance company is trying to get you back into your home. This is usually calculated around 20% of your dwelling coverage. The fifth type of coverage is personal liability coverage. This will provide money if you or someone in your household is legally responsible for the injury of others or their property. This pays for damage and defense costs. This is something that's very inexpensive, and we highly recommend that you pick up the maximum on any policy that we write. The sixth type of coverage is medical payment coverage. This is payable to anyone outside of your household, and it covers injuries that happen on your property where a lawsuit is not involved. So you can think of this like the "please don't sue me" gesture. This has just been a brief overview, and there are many endorsements that may serve you well that we would love to talk with you about. Thank you for your trust, because a harbor is not just a place, it's what you have in us.